Welcome. In this video I will show you how you can control the description that appears in your estimate, order confirmation and in your invoice as well. I will begin by opening a previously created estimate for our fictitious John Smith. Here you can see the estimate. It includes both the stock and finishing options as well as the description. We can also edit the repeat description for additional quantities of the same item. So first of all, we'll look at controlling or removing the paper types and finishing options for print quotations, and a similar sign material and sign finishing options for sign quotations. And for repeat quantities of the same item for both print and sign quotations, we can change the short description that appears by simply inputting our text here and clicking the Save button when we are finished. And from the quotation view, we will now create a new email of this same estimate. And as you can see, the paper type and finishing options have been dropped, and the description for repeating quantities of the same item has been updated with our new text. We will open this quotation again, and we will now look at how we can control the description itself, apart from the stock and finishing items. So in this case, we are entering extra details that perhaps the designer or printer may need. So this may be information that we do not wish to appear on our quotation, but is known at the time when we are creating the quotation and we need to record it. So if we click the small B button, note we can enter and remove a shortcode. First of all, I will show you the complete description on the estimate. Now I will switch back again to the estimate view. And now we will enter the shortcode after the word design. And you can see the B surrounded by curly brackets appears. We will recreate and email the estimate. And now you can notice that the description stops at the word design and it does not include the rest of the description. So in this way, if more information is known at the time of creating the quotation and you do not wish to send it out on the actual estimate or to appear on an order confirmation, or indeed on the invoice, then include that shortcode. Some users have requested an option to overwrite the calculated prices. Editing of these prices is also enabled under the General Preferences pane. Simply tick the Enable Price Override checkbox and click the Save button as shown. So let's say the user would like to change the final price here for the 1000 lot to 90 instead of 95.95. So simply switch to the quotation, simply overwrite the price. It is automatically saved, so you can just click the email button again. There is no need to calculate. And as you will see, the price has now been changed to 90. For the final part of this video, let's convert this quotation number 88 to an order. In fact, we will convert the one that was calculated at 90. Note again that the shortcode can be removed and added also in this view. So even when creating an invoice, you have an option to control the information that appears on that invoice. So I will enter the optional customer order number. In this case, I won't send the order confirmation to the customer. I will simply create this order from the estimate. So now I will switch to the invoicing view. I will refresh the list and load all of John Smith's orders. Here, notice the shortcode in the description. I will add this as a line item to an invoice and post this invoice. And as you can see, the shortcode has separated the description and only the description that appeared before the shortcode is placed on the invoice. And of course, as always, I can then send this invoice to the customer if I wish. So in this video, I have explained how you can control the description that appears on the estimate, order confirmation and invoice if you wish, and also how you can edit the calculated price. Before concluding, I should point out that I am using version 4.0.4.7. Some of the options shown here were not available on previous releases. In addition, some information about the trial and how you can extend it to the full 90 days is now available under the registration information menu. The application will run for 30 days by default. To extend this to 90, simply register the application and we will send you an email with an activation code that will extend this initial period to 90 days. We have also included a new link to the relevant web page where you can view tutorials and download the latest version. You will need to scroll to the very bottom of this page to find the download links. You will note there is an Apple icon and a Windows icon. obviously connecting to the relevant download file. So thank you for watching, and for more information I invite you to check out a set of related short videos on explorepixels.com. Thank you.